We are at
BCC.
the Eastern Florida State College, formerly known as Brevard Community College, and you're going to get a beverage. First, pick out what beverage. Okay. There's the quarters. Now, what do they have? They have tea, sweet and unsweet, vitamin water, apple juice. I think that's orange juice. Stuff with caffeine, lots of stuff with caffeine, and water and Gatorade. So do you want Gatorade or do you want orange juice?
I'll go with the orange juice.
Orange.
Is it still on?
It's still on and I didn't break the camera.
Okay,
Thank
well,
goodness for cases. That's A3.
All right,
Let's see how much
let's just get
A3.
on with this.
A3 is $3.
All right, let's just.
How many quarters is $3?
Well, okay, 1.
4 plus 4 plus 4. It's
Oh,
12.
4.
4 3 times. Let's see if it works. Wait before you. Yeah, it's working.
Let's just get on with this.
See, it tells you right here how much. That's 4. 4 is $1. 5, 6, 7,
For that to happen.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and one more is 12.
All right, which one's the orange juice? This.
Orange juice is A3, so you punch A3. There it goes. And there we go.
All right, we got it. That's it. And goodbye.